What's up, guys? NJ Slot Guy, Top Dollar Mike here from the Gold Nugget Atlantic City in the high limit slot room. We are at high stakes lightning cash, 50-cent denomination. We're going to bounce it back and forth between whatever we can. We took that 1201 from Coinomania, and as you can see, Mike's contribution was $3.25. So with that being said, let's spin, let's win. Can you do a first spin? Can you do a thing there? Oh, you son of a gun. How about some... Oh, no, yeah, that's right. We should only do it if the number's plus, right? It should still count as it counts a loss. Like that one? Yeah, like that, yeah. You're good there. It was a good example to use. Yeah. You know? Which one do I do this one? Oh, yeah, I just figured, you know, whatever. Yeah, that's true. Whatever I'm feeling. All right, in that case. 2 in a row. Might throw it off. No. I was incorrect. More.
I was hoping for that last.
That last, yeah, that's like the, what is that? The river card, right?
Yep.
The river card. Yeah, 5-banger.
Nice.
Whoa, 225 there, guys.
Yeah, that's how it responds.
Yeah, of course. Oh, we're going to keep it going on 75, actually, and get lucky with nothing. There's nothing going on there. We're going from 4 figures to 3 figures soon.
Right.
We're going soon. There it is. Oh!
Just about to.
What do you think you got here? You think you went over? No good? No good. So, guys, here's what Mike and I do, and Jerry when he's here yelling in the background. We do you go until you win, or until you lose, sorry, until you lose. Now, with stupid lightning cash, right, you win on every spin. So we're going to do it. It's got to go over the bet number, right? Just to not confuse anybody. Say, Mike won. It shouldn't have been his spin. And I got to deal with all that crap. Because everybody's got to be picky, you know? Got to make sure we explain the rules of what's going on first.
What?
Oh. When you see 2, man, it just really gets you... Oh, mini bonus would have been huge. More mixed symbols since wheel bonus. All right, here we go. This was Mike's spin, guys. Just wanted to throw that in there. He deserves the credit.
All right, come on. Chip it up.
Let's start with a wild? No, just mixed symbols we'll start with. All right, here we go. Wild. Nope. Should have passed. Damn. What the heck's going on here, man? There we go. $500 right off the bat. So Mike with the double bonus game. Drop big ones. All right, that's actually 5 times. Yeah, major be fun, right? Something. All right, we still got free spins. Don't forget. A big. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. 625. Oh no.
Do it again.
Oh, get out of here. Well, I was not expecting that. Good thing I adjusted the camera just in time. Sure, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we have.
Right,
definitely.
Here we go.
Sorry about that, guys. How about a banger now? All right.
Yeah, drop that minor now.
Bang. Maybe that's why it wanted to come back out. It heard your cries. And said,
Do it again. Save it. Come on.
Are you serious? Both times. I mean, it's still good. As we're both taking a sip of our beverages here. Whoa. It's all right. We're good.
All right.
You know what? What are you
Do it again.
Do it again. Oh, let's go, man. You're a bonus shit for today. Oh,
sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens, guys. You gotta know.
Come on, here we
Come
go.
on, do
Chip
it
it up. Nope.
Get the habit again. Come on.
Briefcase. Wild. Let's
Cards,
go.
cards.
Keep counting, babe. Keep counting.
Right now.
Is this my card again? You son of a gun. What a scam artist you are.
It says 465. Come on, baby. Chip it.
Chip it up. Nice.
We got here. $1,830. And we still got 800 left in the machine.
Nuts. What did we put in? We put the 1200 on ticket. So we got the 1200 for Coinomania, which was a plus. Then we got. Now I'm confused, so I'm gonna stop there. We will be back after that hand pay. We are back after that hand pay, guys, and we are going to. Should we keep it same denom? Should we move it around?
We'll probably move it around. Just do a couple spins.
All right, we'll do a couple more spins here.
What's your win on that?
I don't know. It's gonna be a close one. A lot of noise.
Yes, you did.
We're up and over. Here we go again.
You know what? Let's because we haven't got the chip bonus.
That's a good point. Start at 25. I love it. Look at this right off the bat.
That would be so weird. We wouldn't do bounce back and forth between 20 and 50 for the rest of it.
Let's do it. Whatever your heart desires. All right, back down 25. Nothing.
All right, come on now, high stakes.
Oh, yeah. What are you doing? You just did a beautiful thing for us. What happened? Should we have not moved it on? Should we move it down to quarters?
We'll try quarters.
We should try quarters. If it ain't working,
Let's
man.
try quarters.
Let's do quarters at what it is, 25 here, and then what?
37.50.
Okay, the 37.50 to start. Oh, the savior. The savior could have happened. No. The boat's going down. I don't think he got it. A little short. Ooh, almost there. 4 chips. Nice. This is getting brutal. Sorry. Happened again. Oh boy. Oh. I'm doing 3 in a row. That didn't matter. I was stupid. Going back up to $1. Going crazy. This is called stealing home. Right? I had nothing else there. I had to go with that one. Here we go. Cars will give you something, maybe? I don't know. It's gonna be a close one. No good. Oh man, $73 left, huh? I'll hit that 75 and spin the thing until it hits green. No. Get out of here. Watch this, guys. $73. Never, ever happens, guys. Hope you really enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun here, guys. Thanks for joining us. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell to stay notified, and we'll have some more videos for you soon. Thank you.